Hello everyone, it's your girl Judy Chemite and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, I am back with another wig video. And so guys, today we are going to make a DIY Afro wig. I hope you learn how to make an Afro wig and I hope you're going to enjoy it. And yeah, best of luck. So guys, let's get into the tutorial. So guys, first of all, we need this mannequin head which is going to hold your cap, pair of scissors, a wig cap. I prefer you get one that looks like this, guys. A crochet needle, but guys, when you get into the video, you'll see the kind of crochet needle that is needed. This is the wrong one. Please guys, take note. I'm so sorry for this mess. And of course you need your crochet hair, and in this case I used Guess Girl number 2 stroke 27. You also need the T-pin so that they can be there like to hold your wig cap while you're making your wig. You will see how we're going to use these T-pins. So guys, the first thing that we need to do is to secure our wig cap. And we are going to do this by using the T-pins, and we are going to pin the pins on the mannequin head where the wig cap is. You're going to see how I'm going to do it. You make sure that it's actually everywhere so that you can secure your wig cap. So you start by taking a bundle of hair, then you take any solid oil, but in this case I used a Venice, and then you do whatever I'm doing to the bundle. You just apply it on the bundle. This will help you like detangle the hair very well, because this hair really tangles. Yeah, so it's really gonna help you in detangling. Then you also need to cut the hair into half because we want to make an Afro wig, but if you want to make a longer, like a wig with longer hair strands, no problem. But in this case I just decided to use the shorter strands of hair. That's why I'm actually cutting it into half. And please guys, only use small pieces of hair because the holes are kind of small, so you really don't need lots of hair or a big piece of hair. So please use a small piece of hair. And here you see that I'm struggling actually because I used somehow a big piece of hair, but please don't be like me. And I noticed this, and so I decided like to use smaller pieces of hair. And then to just to secure everything, I'm tying the hair twice, as you can see. Just to show you how we do the whole crochet thingy, let's use this video which was actually recorded much later. And so guys, you're gonna need your crochet needle. You pass it through a hole the way I've done that. Then remember, we're only using small pieces of hair. You put it into the crochet needle like that, then you make sure it passes through the hole like that. Then you make sure that you have done whatever I'm doing. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. And after doing that, you make sure you tie it again just to secure your hair. And just like that guys, that is how it's done. That easy. So you do that to every hair. Oh my god guys, the results are amazing, and I hope that you have learned a lot from this video and that you are going to be super successful when you try to do it yourself. That's all for today guys. Until next time, bye.